Avocado lovers, are you ready for some mind-blowing news? What if I told you that eating just one avocado a day could completely transform your health? Yep, it's true. And today I'm diving into the science-backed benefits of this creamy green superfruit. Stick around because what you'll learn by the end might surprise you. Did you know that avocados can do more than just make your toast Instagram-worthy? Imagine boosting your heart health, improving digestion, and even aiding in weight management just by enjoying one avocado daily. But there's a secret to making it work, and I'll reveal it in just a moment. First up, let's talk about your heart. Avocados are loaded with monounsaturated fats, what we call good fats. These can help lower bad cholesterol, reduce the risk of heart disease, and keep your ticker happy. Plus, they're packed with potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure. Fun fact, avocados have more potassium than bananas. Who knew? And for your gut health, avocados are high in fiber, with about 10 grams per avocado. That's nearly half of your daily needs. Fiber not only keeps things moving, but also supports healthy gut bacteria, which impacts everything from digestion to immunity. Trying to stay in shape? Here's the cool part. Those healthy fats in avocados can help you feel full longer, curbing unnecessary snacking. Plus, they provide a steady source of energy for workouts, so you're fueled and ready to crush your goals. But here's the kicker. Avocados are rich in antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, which help reduce inflammation. This means fewer aches and pains after workouts and even healthier skin. Yep, that's right. Glowing skin can be yours, thanks to those nutrient-packed avocados. Before we wrap up, let me ask you, are you ready to make avocados your daily BFF? If you've made it this far, you're clearly as interested in healthy living as we are. So don't miss out. Hit that subscribe button right now. It's totally free and helps our channel grow, so we can bring you even more health tips like this. And while you're at it, give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below. What's your favorite way to eat avocado? Smoothies, salads, guacamole? Let me know. I might just feature your recipe in a future video. So there you have it. Just one avocado a day could supercharge your heart, gut, skin, and more. Plus, it's delicious, versatile, and fun to eat. Remember, small daily changes lead to big results. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay healthy, stay happy, and enjoy your avocados. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and bell icon reminder to be notified when we post new health education tips and information. See you in the next video.